Hi, this is your instructor Albert Wong. This video is to show you how to access and complete guided projects or maybe independent projects. And the first thing that you need to do is to come to the SimNet symbol interface. And I believe that at this time you are quite familiar with this screen. When you come to this screen, for example, you are going to work on the guided project, the 1-2. So you come to this page and you click on here. And you will see an interface showing you some of the instruction on what to do. Now, the other way to access guided project or independent project is coming to our website, the Canvas site, for example. We come to here, and as you can imagine, once you come to a chapter assignment, you scroll down and you see guided project, for example, and there is a link, and it say click here to access chapter 1 guided project. When you click on this one, you will come to the same interface that you see here. Now, in this interface, you see say guided project 1-2, and say the instruction is very straightforward, download files, and then like that is the page where you can download all the files if you like to. And then you move down and you see something called the best practice, and it gives you an idea of say what it means by best practice for guided project. We just download it and open it for your perusal. So it is a very helpful, I would say. Like always use the instruction provided online, and you just read it, and then you can make sure that you know what it is asking you, and it suggests that there may be different methods, method 1 and method 2 to do the work. All right. So with that, we're going back to our interface here, and now notice that it has something called a solution as well. And if you look at the solution, it gives you like a PDF file and show you how the final solution work looks like. Okay, so that you can compare and see if you have done the thing correctly or not. All right, so and again, that is the solution. And let's go back to the interface where we have the instruction. Now, the other one that you should download, depending on whether you are using a Windows system or a Mac system, and that is the instruction. And you click on it, and again, it downloads a PDF file, and you open that up. Now, here, my suggestion for you is that print that out, and then you go through the list of the instruction, and then work on it one by one, and then at the end of it, you compare to the solution file that I just shown you and see if you have done the thing correctly. All right, so let's go back to the previous interface. Now, after you have done everything, and then the next thing that you need to do is to upload the files. And once you upload the files, for example, in this case, I upload my files, and I have my files. Say, for example, this one, I upload my files. And yes, submit my files. And you can see that because I have not done anything on the file, so I got 0/11. But the cool thing that I want to show you is that it show you where you have done wrong. For example, let's take a 9D. That is, say like you have not done something. When you position your mouse over there, it more or less give you an idea what you have done wrong. For example, 9D. And it's like a click apply. It's a 9D here. You move down, and it's like click apply to all timing. So it gives you what you have done wrong, and then you should correct. So that is a very, very useful feature for you. So that is pretty much what you can do and you should do with a guided project. And you have 3 attempts. And if you say, hey, I want to submit it and see how it grades my work, and feel free to do so. You have 3 attempts, and I will take the attempt with the maximum score for your grade. All right. So any question, please let me know. Goodbye.